So here we're given f of x is this polynomial over here, and we want to find negative f of x. So all we have to do is write f of x equals negative, open some parentheses, close them, and then this slides in here. So we get negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 3. Now you should know that we need to use the distributive property, so this needs to go in and apply to each of these. So when we do that, the first term gives me a black negative 2x squared, and then minus that's because this negative applies to that positive 4x, and then again this negative comes and applies to that minus 3x. Now all you have to do here is recognize, all right, I have two negatives. It's a double negative. It's like not. So it is not negative, therefore it is positive. So we have a positive 2x squared minus 4x minus, I don't know why I wrote a 3 here, so minus 3 like that. So sorry for putting that x there. I'm not writing just a 3, but we apply it in like this. These two get negative, this one comes positive. I get 2x squared minus 4x minus 3.